Bismillah, wassalatu wassalam ala Rasulillah, wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, let me ask you a few questions. What do you think is the biggest problem you're facing today? Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam faced even bigger. What do you think is the most dangerous threat you are confronting in your life? Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam confronted even worst. All the crises that the Muslims are facing in the world is nothing compared to the crisis that Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his noble companions had to go through. Let's recount their horrors one by one, and I'll show you how Quran, the divine guidance revealed by Allah to his noble messenger, helped them wade through all those hardships and emerge victorious in reviving the entire mankind to peace, unity, safety, and prosperity. Today, every little problem seems like the end of life for us. The fear of the unknown is so deep that a Muslim surrenders at the very mention of a hostile situation, be it in the neighborhood, at the domestic level, at work, in journey, or while facing the other. From the conquerors and rulers of half the earth to becoming a fearful subject all across the globe, the journey of the Ummah post-Quranic era has been pathetically inglorious in the last centuries. Struggling to make both ends meet, toiling to pay energy bills, battling to prove your loyalty to the tyrant rulers, grappling with the fear of being disenfranchised, and striving to escape from one part of the globe to reach another as migrant laborers. Hiding your Muslim identity to look like your masters, adopting their tyrannical culture and tradition to win their sympathy, doing everything to evade their satanic operation, except going back to the book of emancipation, the book of guidance, the book of power and glory, the Quran. The Quran. Ever since the Muslim abandoned the divine and chose to make their own laws in collaboration with Iblis. And why do I say in collaboration with Iblis? Because the moment you abandoned Quran, you automatically became the collaborator of Iblis. You don't need to sign a separate contract with him. Minus Quran, and Iblis is writing your children's books. Iblis is writing your business contracts with compulsory interest rates. He is writing your songs and movies. He is writing your medical prescriptions. He is writing your affidavits and counter affidavits. He is signing your degrees and certificates. He is issuing all sort of conditional licenses. And on top of it, he is the one helping you sign inhuman treaties among nations. Every single contract that you sign in collaboration with Iblis brings distrust, enmity, betrayal, wars, bloodshed, and an irreversible destruction to humanity. Because you don't begin your contract with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. You abandoned Quran means you follow Iblis and you're going to live in a constant fear, in the realm of manufactured uncertainty, and you end up in a forced mutual destruction, whether you like it or not. The satanic wires controlling your every move in your lives are laid under the strict guidance of Iblis. Those wires run across the length and breadth of the earth crust and connect you to a system of unseen command and control. Without Quran as the center of your life and as the guidance of your every move, you are just a robot being controlled by Iblis. A brainless, senseless, unconscious robot unaware of the consequences of your acts, most of which are simply societal. Quran has warned the Ummah of the consequence of abandoning the Book of Allah, and we Muslims are reaping what we have sown. My dear brothers and sisters, it's about time we return to senses. We return to the light. We return to the Quran. Or else, the darkness of Iblis will engulf us all. وما علينا إلا البلاغ والحمد لله رب العالمين والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.